Hello guys, welcome back to this course to learn Flutter application development. In this video, what we are going to do, we will design our product page. As you can see on the screen right now, we have this scaffold, and inside this scaffold we have this app bar. Inside this app bar we have title, products, and we have given this background color. And how it's looking, let's see on our screen. So on our mobile screen it's looking like this. As you can see, it's looking like this at present. So we have to add more icons inside this app bar here, and this is our app bar. This is orange color, it's called app bar. Okay, so now we will add more icons here so that we can more functionality this application. So come here. So to add more icons, so here what we have to do, first of all let's come above, and here let's import Firebase auth Firebase auth dot. This one, import this package, and after this let's create the instance here. So after this state product page class, here let's Firebase auth equals to Firebase auth dot instance. So this is your instance and this is your package for Firebase auth. So let's start adding these icons here. So first of all, after this background color leading, and leading will be icon button, and after this icon button like this we have to add icon, and icon again icons dot refresh, and color will be of this icon white. So colors dot white, like this. And after this here we have to add on press function, on press, and let's leave it as it is empty. We will add this function later. And after this color, as you can see here, let's put comma here, and now we have added this refresh icon here. So now after this what we have to do, we have to add two more icons. So after this icon button, let's create action, and right here like this, visit, and inside this action let's add icon buttons, icon button on press, and then here add two brackets and enter, and right here icon, then again open brackets and icons dot person, and color will be white, colors dot white, and put comma here and here. Let's break this down like this. Now we have to add one more icon for log out the application, so that user can log out the application. So just copy this button and paste one more time here, copy, and after this paste one more time, and change this icon person to log out icon. So log out underscore outline, this is the name of this icon, and color will be white, same as it is. And here we have to pass root. If user will click on logout, so user should be logged out from application. So what we have to do here, we have to write auth, and this auth is the variable we have created here, this one, and then dot sign out dot then, and remove this, and inside remove this value and put like underscore, and after that put two curly brackets, and at the end semicolon. Inside this curly brackets we have to give root, where we have to send user after log out the application. Root new root equals to material page root, and remove this builder like this and put two current round brackets and underscore and like this here welcome screen. We are going to send user welcome screen on welcome screen after logout the application like this. Put semicolon navigator dot push replacement context to new root and put here semicolon like this. So guys, let me tell you what we did here. So we have import this Firebase source package. After this we have declared this instance here, and this is our variable, and then after that we have given this leading icon for refresh. So when user will click on it, so our page will be refreshed and the latest post will be displayed on the top. And then if a user click on this icon, profile icon, so user can see his or her profile. And then after that we have added this logout icon, this one. So when user will click on this icon button, so what will happen? So user will go to welcome screen again and he can register or log out or log in again. So I hope you understand all these things. So guys, let's check the application how it's looking, it's working or not. So come here, open this and just start up our application from here. And now we are on our welcome screen. Now we are on our product page. As you can see, we have this icon, refresh icon, we have this title, we have this icon for profile image, and this is icon for logout application. So if I click on this logout button, so this function will be run, this route will be run. So if I press this on press, here you can see this on press. If I will press on this icon, so these things will be work. So let's press and let's see we are going to welcome screen or not. So here in this icon logout, and here you can see we are on our welcome page again. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.